Florida living promises year-round outdoor relaxation, but the reality for many homeowners is a daily battle. Instead of enjoying the patio, you're constantly fighting off swarms of mosquitoes, sweeping away wind-blown debris, and sweating through the unfiltered afternoon heat. That was the exact situation for Randy Carlson in Venice, Florida. He valued a clean, comfortable home, but his open pool deck required daily, exhausting maintenance. Even worse, whenever his grandkids came to visit, their outdoor playtime was quickly cut short by insect bites. The backyard had become a chore rather than a retreat. Like many homeowners, Randy hesitated to hire a contractor to fix the problem. He was wary of common industry nightmares, like delayed timelines or shoddy workmanship. So he took his time, did his homework, and eventually found a series of detailed project breakdowns on the Screen Factory YouTube channel. Watching those videos showed him a different approach. Rather than a standard sales pitch, he saw a process that focused on the entire logistical lifecycle of a build, from engineering to final inspection, before a single beam ever arrived on site. When Randy made the initial call, the conversation focused strictly on his specific structural requirements. The representative asked targeted questions to figure out whether he needed a simple repair or a full structural build, and verified the dimensions of his existing concrete slab. Next came the on-site evaluation. A trained specialist arrived to measure the exact geometry of his yard, mapped out local property setback lines, and reviewed the specific architectural restrictions enforced by his homeowners association. Treating the initial estimate as a strict physical and legal audit is exactly how a contractor prevents compliance failures and blown budgets once construction actually begins. With the site mapped, the focus shifted to the physical materials. The team specified heavy-duty bronze aluminum frames and high-tension mesh, components specifically engineered to endure intense heat and resist corrosion from Florida's coastal humidity. This 3D isometric wireframe shows how the new structural slopes will tie into the existing roofline. Reviewing these models lets homeowners see how the interior space will flow, down to the entry doors and overhead clearance before any aluminum is cut. Seeing the exact final footprint made the approval stage entirely straightforward. The pricing was locked in with complete transparency, and Randy easily secured his payment plan using Synchrony Bank financing. Delivering high-fidelity visual proof alongside clear financial pathways removes the guesswork, allowing the homeowner to commit to the project with total confidence. So while Randy finalized his paperwork digitally from the comfort of his couch using DocuSign, the intensive, hidden phase of the project immediately kicked into gear back at the engineering department. This top-down blueprint details the mathematical reality required to meet Florida's wind load regulations, showing cable bracing and framing callouts. The plans also dictate the foundation, a 12 by 12-inch concrete footer with steel rebar, ensuring the structure is physically sound. Armed with these exact engineering specifications, the permitting department took over the paperwork war, navigating the local municipality's bureaucracy to secure all the required construction approvals. Taking on the entirety of that bureaucratic and engineering friction behind the scenes ensures the homeowner never has to feel it. When installation day arrived, the materials were delivered and the crew began a highly synchronized assembly. Because every component was pre-engineered, the heavy beams were hoisted into place and locked together with exact precision. Once the skeleton was secure, the installation team applied the finishing tactile steps, stretching the protective screen mesh tight across the spans and aligning the gutter system perfectly with the existing roof drainage paths. Shortly after the crew packed up their tools, the city inspector arrived to review the work. The project passed its strict final inspection immediately, without a single required revision. A frictionless construction day and a passed inspection do not happen by chance. They are the direct payoff of obsessive structural planning and blueprinting. The resulting structure integrates directly with the home's existing architecture, replacing the exposed pool deck with an immaculate, fully protected enclosure.
My name is Randy Carlson. I live here in Venice, Florida. I'm talking to you today because we are absolutely thrilled with the cage that Screen Factory put on. The quality is just exceptional. We just had no hiccups. Everything was done in a timely manner. And again, we really thank you for this wonderful cage.
Now his grandchildren can spend hours splashing in the pool without a single mosquito bite, and Randy's daily morning chore of skimming leaves and sweeping debris has been permanently erased. As Randy himself summarized the experience, he was absolutely thrilled with the results. He pointed out that the material quality was exceptional, and the entire build was completed on schedule without a single project hiccup. What does your ideal outdoor space look like? If you're tired of battling the elements and maintaining an exposed patio, Randy's exact blueprint could be your next step. Contact us today and let's start planning your backyard transformation.